Hey, if tinfoil is showing a failed to import tickets error, that can stop you from installing games or updates. But here's how to fix it. First, fully power off your console. Turn it off completely, wait a few seconds, then power it back on and try importing the tickets again. The error often comes from corrupted tickets or a faulty SD card. Remove the SD card, connect it to a PC, and verify the ticket files are intact. If files are missing or corrupted, re-download them from a trusted source. Double-check that tickets are placed in the correct folder on your SD card, exactly as recommended in the tinfoil setup guide. Make sure tinfoil and your custom firmware are updated. Outdated software can cause ticket import errors, and if the problem persists, delete tinfoil and reinstall a fresh copy. Follow these steps, and the failed to import tickets error should be fixed.